Yo, what's good, you guys? So I wanted to try out something new for my channel, kind of like a new segment where it's going to be a quicker video to bring to light any interesting finds or any topics of the Mark 7 GTI where it doesn't require like a whole 10-minute video. I'm basically going to call it 2-Minute Tuesday. And if you feel like that sounds familiar or you've heard some other YouTubers say that before, that's most likely where I got it from. But yeah, it's not going to be like all my videos, hence the name 2-Minute Tuesday. Most likely only going to upload these on Tuesday, and it'll be around 2 minutes or so in length. So for this first video, I thought it'd be great to go over the Lamin-X yellow fog film fogs thingy-majingies for the Mark 7 GTI. I got them from modeleuros.com for 15 bucks, free shipping, and it comes pre-cut in the shape of the Mark 7 GTI fog lights. The tabs on each side of the film is where you're supposed to hold it so that the main part of the actual film doesn't, touch any dirty surface or the oils on your finger. And if you need to reapply them, that's where you pull on the tab so that you don't have to actually peel or pull from the main film. To install them, Lamin-X says you can install them dry, which is what I did. So you don't need to pre-soak the light or the film and then, stick it on and squeegee. I mean, you can, but me personally, I didn't really care that much to be exact. So I just installed them dry. And the film is really forgiving. It's not like a regular sticker where if you peel it off once or too many times, it leaves behind sticky residue. And the film doesn't feel like it's a cheap sticker. It's pretty thick for a sticker, if that makes sense. People might be afraid of bubbles. Lamin-X says it shouldn't leave any bubbles, and any bubbles that do get left behind when you first install it should go away after a few days when it cures. For me, I had this little squeegee where I got from buying like screen protectors, but after I stuck on one area of the film, I just used it and squeegee the rest of the areas, and I think there's no bubbles. I mean, I try my best and it looks fine, so that's good enough for me. I'm not too OCD about it. And after installing it, I think the tabs are supposed to be cut. At least that's what it shows on the Lamin-X website. But what I did is there's actually a lot of room in between the fog lights. It's not like an actual light on the trim, if that makes sense. There's actually a lot of room. So what I did is I just used the squeegee and I just tucked all the remaining film behind that, and it looks fine. In fact, I think it might be harder for me to remove it now if I wanted to, because all the extra film is tucked behind the fog light. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's a personal preference. I got the yellow fog lights because I made the enamel pins with the yellow fog lights, and after looking at it for a while, I'm like, this looks kind of cool. So that's what I did. Lamin-X also has the pre-cut ones for other colors as well. I think like red, blue, purple. Oh, also this wasn't like sponsored by them or anything like that. I paid this with my own money. But if you end up getting it, let me know how it goes. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one.